How to insert a counter in Melde Studio. Hi, I'm Helen Santos, Support Specialist at JMV Technology. If you do sports or gameplay broadcasts, adding a counter for goals, wins, or losses can be really useful. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to insert a counter in Melde Studio. And if you're just starting out, scan the QR code to access our free course platform. There you'll find various trainings focused on live streaming. In Meld Studio, click the plus button in the Layers window and select Widgets. Then click Counter. On the right panel, you'll have all the customization options. First, you can adjust the position and opacity of the counter on screen. Below that, you'll find the Increment button, which adds 1, and Decrement button, which subtracts 1 to update the number in real time during your stream. Next, you set the starting value of the counter, meaning which number it begins with. You can also add a prefix and a suffix. For example, you can put 1 as a prefix and times as a suffix, displaying something like 1 3 times. There's also the option to compact the number format, letting you set the desired decimal places. Further down are the font settings, where you can choose style, size, color, and alignment. Further down, we have some preset and effect options. Now you know how to add and configure a counter in Meld Studio and make your live stream more organized. And if you're looking for a platform to stream live, I invite you to check out JMV Technology's plans, where you can broadcast to your website and multiple social networks simultaneously from a single source, plus several other exclusive features. For more information, scan the QR code. If you like the video, like, share, and follow us on our social networks for more content like this.